I was just gifted this 100% acrylic worsted yarn set. This is a set of different skeins. We have different colors, and it's so fun to have a bunch of different color options. So I will just show you the colors. You can probably see them online. I just wanted to get into the quality of the actual yarn. So in this kit, we have a bunch of different packs, and we also had a hook. So this is a size 5mm, and this is what it looks like. And it has a nice grip right here. It's just like almost a rubbery grip. Now versus these ones, this one is much more comfortable to hold on to. It has some indentation on the front and back, so as you are holding, it's like not gonna wear into your, or like it's not gonna cause any issues with holding this and crocheting. So my daughters like to crochet. They've been into crocheting balls, and that is what they want to do with all these. They want to do crochet a bunch of different balls. We have a baby coming. They thought it'd be a perfect little baby gift. So this actually is Red Heart, and this is this CRAFTWIZ. I wanted to show you the difference in just the yarn. So I'm gonna show you just a strand of both and explain. I know you can't feel through the phone or the computer, but I just wanted to explain the difference. So this Red Heart is a little thicker. The CRAFTWIZ is a little thinner. However, the CRAFTWIZ feels smoother and like softer than the Red Heart. They are both like a great sturdiness. It feels like they're gonna work great with different projects. My girls have used this one typically, and as this one's a thinner one, I think they'll do really well with this one as well. It does feel like a nice soft yarn, and I don't know if I'll have them roll them into balls like we have with this one, but it feels like a good quality yarn as far as acrylic yarns go. I love that we have so many color options. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We got 20 different colors, so this will hopefully keep them busy for a little bit of time because they sure love crafting. So if you also have a little crafter or somebody who just loves doing yarn projects, this is a fantastic kit. Like I said, it does come with a crochet hook if you are wanting to get into crochet, and this hook is a great little comfortable hook to use. So if you are looking into this set, we highly recommend them. They each have, they're individually packaged like this, so they're not gonna get tangled up together unless you open all of them at once. Then I might suggest rolling them into balls or just tucking in the ends so they don't get tangled together. But cute options as far as colors. They're nice and vibrant colors. They feel like they'll be a great little hobby kit. So hope this helps seeing it up close, kind of comparing it to the Red Heart, which is like, I get it at Walmart. Super, it's like the cheap yarn, but this one feels like a great upgrade to the Red Heart.